What's up, guys? You want to check out something sweet? We're probably one of the biggest fork boot sellers in the world, quite honestly, at a retail level. We have all kinds of sizes of fork gaiters, and we just got this CRF110 in today, and of course I wanted to see if we had fork gaiters that would fit it. Sure enough, we do, because Honda does not even offer them for this bike, even though they should. Well, we have them now, so make sure you see the link down below. You can get them on our eBay store, and you can be one of the cool kids, to be able to have fork gaiters on your little 110. Totally awesome. Looks ridiculously cool. And we think Honda should offer it like that, because they offer, some of their other models, the 80 and the 100 all come with them, but why not the 110? Well, you can put them on yours. So see the link down below of where you can get them. And check out other videos about this bike and tons of others. Always adding more stuff. Y'all have a good day. We'll see y'all later.